So this company is conducting walk-in interviews and contact numbers are provided at the end of the video. You can directly contact them by a phone call and email IDs are also provided there. So let us see the details and welcome to the channel. Hi everyone, welcome to Pharmajobalert YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to see vacancies from ACME group. This is a walk-in drive at Indore. This is an excellent opportunity for pharma professional to join our sterile and OHD formulation manufacturing sites at Baddi and Alagra, Himachal Pradesh. So if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And coming to the vacancies are in the production and packing department, quality control, quality assurance and engineering department. For production and packing, OSD and sterile vacancies are there. On OSD, granulation, compression, coating, capsule, blister, all strip, auto coordinator, as well as in sterile, filling and sealing, autoclave, etc. And quality control and quality assurance also vacancies are there, as well as in engineering department. So here you can see in engineering, sterile looking BTech or diploma having experience in QMS process equipment, autoclave filling machine. And coming to the position, they are looking for assistant manager, executive or officer. So if you are a B Pharma, MSc, M Pharma, BTech, you are eligible. So this is a walk-in on 1st September 2024, and for operator or technician, diploma or diploma ITA, 3 to 8 years of experience is required. So the venue is Papaya Tree Hotels Group, Bypass Square, AB Road, opposite Daughter Hadia Eye Hospital, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And they are saying walk in with resume, walk out with offer. So this is a good opportunity. If you are unable to attend, you can share your resume to the following mail IDs.